Winter's here, and if you live in a snowy area, you already know the struggle. Frozen doors, icy windshields, and cars that refuse to start. But what if you could skip all that frustration? Today, I'll show you how to prepare your car before a snowstorm hits, so you can wake up, start your engine, and drive off without scraping, freezing, or stressing. Let's get into it. Step 1. Fill up your gas tank before the first snowflake even falls. Make sure your gas tank is full. Why? Because during a snowstorm, gas stations might close, or lines can get long. A full tank also means extra weight on the rear of your car, around 120 pounds for most vehicles. That extra weight gives you better traction, especially for rear-wheel drives. And most importantly, if you ever get stuck in the snow, you can keep your engine running longer and stay warm. So, rule number 1, top it off before the storm. Step 2, park smart. When you park your car for the night, back into your driveway instead of pulling in. This makes it easier to drive out in the morning, especially if a snowplow leaves a pile of snow in front of your car. It's also safer. If kids are playing outside or visibility is low, driving forward means you can see everything clearly. So always remember, reverse in, drive out. Step 3, check washer, fluid, and wipers. Snow, ice, and salt from the road can make your windshield filthy in seconds. So before the storm, fill up your washer fluid with winter-grade deicer. It's alcohol-based and prevents freezing. Also, check your wiper blades. They should be flexible and free of cracks. Replace them if they streak or skip, because when visibility drops, those few seconds can make a huge difference. Step 4. Stop your doors and locks from freezing. Nothing's worse than tugging on a frozen car door in the morning. To stop that, grab a can of silicone spray. Spray a little inside your door locks. Then gently work the key in and out. It pushes out any moisture. Next, spray some silicone on a cloth and wipe around all the rubber weather seals on your doors. This creates a barrier that stops water from freezing your doors shut. And don't forget your hood latch. Give it a light spray too, so you can open the hood if your battery dies. Step 5. Protect your mirrors and windshield. Now for a quick trick that'll save you a ton of scraping time in the morning. Take 2 Ziploc bags and cover your side mirrors before bed. Zip them tight. This keeps ice and snow from sticking, and in the morning, you just pull them off. No scraping, no mess. For your windshield, lift your wipers and cover the glass with a windshield cover or a couple of garbage bags. Secure them with painter's tape or by tucking them under the wipers. Next morning, peel it off. And boom! Clear glass instantly. Step 6. Keep your driveway and shovel ready. Before things freeze over, shovel your driveway early when the snow is still soft. If snow sticks to your shovel, here's a hack. Dry it off, then coat it with a bit of car wax or ceramic spray. Let it sit for 5 minutes and buff it off. This makes the surface slippery, so snow slides right off. You'll move faster and your shovel will feel lighter. Step 7. Clear snow without scratching your car. When the snowstorm finally hits and it's time to uncover your car, this is where most people make their biggest mistake. Using a stiff snow brush directly on the paint. Those hard plastic bristles might seem harmless, but they can leave tiny scratches that ruin your car's finish over time. Instead, here's a simple and safe method that works perfectly. Take a soft microfiber towel and wrap it around the head of your snow brush. Secure it with a couple of binder clips or even elastic bands so it stays in place while you work. Now, instead of rough bristles scraping against your paint, you have a smooth, gentle surface that glides easily over the body of the car. When brushing, don't push down hard. Just let the weight of the brush do the job. Light, sweeping motions will remove the snow while protecting your paint from damage. And if the snow is light and powdery, right after a fresh storm, there's an even better trick. Use a leaf blower. A quick burst of air will blow the snow off completely without you ever touching the surface. No contact means zero chance of scratches and a much faster cleanup. It's one of those small winter hacks that can save your car's shine for years. And once you try it, you'll never go back to scraping or brushing again. Step 8. Safe ice removal tips. When you wake up to find your car covered in a thick layer of ice, it can be tempting to pour boiling water on your windshield or mirrors to melt it fast. But never do that. The sudden temperature shock can cause the glass to crack instantly, leaving you with expensive repairs. A much safer and more effective trick is to fill a Ziploc bag with hot tap water, not boiling water, and gently slide it across the frozen glass. The steady warmth from the bag melts the ice evenly, clearing the windshield without any damage. You'll actually see the ice soften and peel away, revealing clear glass in seconds, and your car stays completely safe in the process. This same trick works perfectly for side mirrors, headlights, and even taillights, helping you restore full visibility in no time. It's simple, safe, and one of the fastest DIY methods for de-icing your vehicle on freezing mornings. Step 9. Final morning check. Now that your car is free of snow and ice, there are a few last-minute checks before you hit the road. Start by removing the windshield cover and taking off the Ziploc bags from your mirrors. You'll instantly notice how clean and ice-free the surfaces are. Your glass stays clear, your mirrors stay usable, and your paint remains scratch-free. But before starting the engine, take a quick walk around your car. Check your exhaust pipe. Make sure it isn't blocked by packed snow or ice. A clogged exhaust can trap carbon monoxide inside the car cabin, which is extremely dangerous and even deadly if unnoticed. Once everything's clear and your visibility is perfect, you're ready to start your car, warm it up, and drive safely into the day. No scraping, no frozen doors, and no stress. Drive safe. And that's it. Your car is officially winter ready. No frozen doors, no dead battery, no morning chaos. Just a few simple steps the night before can save you hours the next day, and a lot of frustration. Stay safe, stay warm, and enjoy the snow, not suffer through it. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple car hacks that make life easier.